Hello everybody, this is Stevie D here out for another ride on the KLR 650. It's about 10 days before I leave for my trip around the world, and I'm just doing the final shakedowns of the bike. Got all the stuff loaded on the bike, seeing how the balancing is and the handling of the bike, and so far everything is pretty good. So said I'd talk about my itinerary and that. So basically what I'll be doing is leaving across Wisconsin and be traveling to Toronto, Canada. Get to Toronto, Canada, I'll be getting on Air Canada, flying my bike over to Frankfurt, Germany. From Frankfurt, Germany, I'm going to run down to Munich, Germany to visit my relatives and see how they're doing and base everything out of there. So I'm going to basically break the trip into 4 loops. The first loop that I'll be taking will be from Munich, Germany down into Luxembourg, Austria, Switzerland. In Switzerland I'm going to do some of the ride through the Alps and some of the passes they have that kind of seem kind of cool to go through. Then from there I'm going to travel down to Italy, go down to Rome, see the Vatican, then come along the coast to Pisa, Monaco, into France for a short little trip. They have an area called, or they nickname it, the Rockies of Europe, so it should be kind of a cool ride through that mountainous region. Then down into Spain, and from Spain all the way down to Gibraltar, then into Portugal, follow Portugal's coast up into Spain again to a little town called Canfranc, which is a railroad town that before World War II was where they would switch from Spanish rail to the European rail system. So it's kind of a cool little area. It's kind of a ghost town area now, but it looks a really neat place to visit. Kind of one of those places that time is forgot. From there I'm going to go into France, drive up to Paris, and then go to basically where the Normandy coast is, or the beach landings were for World War II, visit that a little bit, see else. Then go to England, and then in England visit London area, then travel to Wales. In Wales there's an area called Mach Pass. It's where the aircraft flies through at a very fast rate, at Mach travels, I guess you could say, and you can get up in the mountains and look down on the aircraft as they fly by. So it sounds like a really neat place, got some really cool roads to ride through there. Then from there I'm going to travel up to Liverpool, catch a ferry at Liverpool to the Isle of Man, where I'm going to spend a week watching the Isle of Man TT race. After that I'll be traveling to Ireland. In Ireland I'm going to come into Belfast and visit the areas around Ireland. I mean, going down along the lower coast, or the Wild Way I believe they call it, all the way up to Northern Ireland. I'm going to see the Cliffs of Moher, the Giant's Causeway, a couple of sites from the Game of Thrones, and then travel from there into Scotland. When I get into Scotland, I'm going to try to visit all the different regions of Scotland where Scotch is made and do some sampling. And if everything's working well, time and everything's going well, I'm going to take a quick trip down into central England again for Horizons Unlimited, little rally thing they do called the HUD, H-U-D-D. Horizons Unlimited, if no one has heard of it before, it is a writers forum which is very informative, and it's got some great information on traveling by motorcycle, no matter where you are, what country you are, or area. So for where safety is, shipping of the bike, maintenance, how to pack, how to acquire permits, visas, everything you'd ever want to know. It was a great help for me. I really encourage everybody to check it out. After that, I'll be riding back to Munich, Germany. So spend some days with the relatives again, do some maintenance on the bike, make sure everything's good, take off on the second leg. The second leg is my northern leg, and I'll be going to Amsterdam, so going to Brussels, Amsterdam, and to Norway, Sweden, Finland, drop down into Russia for my first entrance into Russia, where I'll see St. Petersburg. If everything's well, I will travel to Moscow, then back to Estonia. If weather doesn't really permit, I'll go from St. Petersburg to Estonia, then come down to Estonia, Latvia, into Poland, then drop into Berlin, spend some time in Berlin, and then shoot down to Munich. So for the third leg, after a short visit and maintenance done on the bike, my third leg will be the southeastern route, and that's going to take me through Austria again, to Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Montenegro, Greece, maybe into Turkey. I haven't decided if I'm going to Turkey, but then also travel to Georgia, Czech Republic, and come back up that way into Germany. I'll visit with relatives, maintenance, final goodbyes and that. And then the fourth leg is the long leg, which I'll be entering back into Russia and driving across Russia and across Russia and across Russia into Kazakhstan. So I'll visit Kazakhstan, and from Kazakhstan jump into Mongolia. There's another Horizons Unlimited meetup in Mongolia, but I don't think I'll be able to make that just due to the distance now. But go to Mongolia, and then from Mongolia, I'm going to go into either China, shipping back over Beijing, or I will go to Mogadam. My goal is to go to Mogadam because I want to ride the Road of Bones, and then ship from Mogadam, Russia, to Anchorage, Alaska, through Canada to probably about Montana, drop down into the United States on Montana, and then through the Dakotas back home. So that's the basic route. It's a little ambitious, but if everything goes well, hopefully that'll all pan out. So 43 countries so far is what it looks like possibly doing. It's a little more than my 39. So if I get my goal of 39, it'll be great. And I'm looking at somewhere between 28 to 30,000 miles, depending on which exact route I will do. So averaging 300 to 325 miles a day. I'm trying to get a rest day at least every fourth day, to see some sights, upload some videos, and communicate with people. So again, if you find these videos interesting, please hit subscribe, and if you like them, pound that like button. Also, you'll be able to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and that is A Ride of a Lifetime. And if I have a website, you can also get more information too, is arideofalifetime.com. And you can go to that. I do have a GoFundMe page if you want to go there, which would actually get you a code, and my Garmin Reach, or InReach, will be uploading my location every 10 minutes or so, and you can actually see where I'm at. Then I'll be doing some posts and video chats, and I'll actually take some text messages and stuff from people that subscribe, that ask questions, that want to know about my ride and that. So that'll all be available, and you can find that at arideofalifetime.com. So otherwise, everything's going well. The bike's handling great. Weather's been really nice the last couple of days. We actually had 70 degrees. Today it's probably in the high 50s, and tomorrow we're talking snow. So hey, Wisconsin's awesome. But doesn't matter. 10 days from now, this bike is going to be heading towards Toronto, starting the ride. So again, thanks for watching my channel. Hopefully subscribe and like and stuff. Leave comments in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them, and love to have you along for the journey. Thanks for watching.